Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking over ES futures for March 11th, 2024. We are currently on the June 2024 M contract, so please note that we have rolled forward. And we are a day before CPI data, which is coming out tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. Pacific, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So please keep that in mind when walking into tomorrow. The concept I wanted to quickly discuss was the concept of inventory and how it shuts off and allows us to understand that selling has stopped, and into the end period, the closing period of the day, showing us how broker-dealers' last minutes of inventory adjustments based on their book gives us insights of where they are positioned into the next day. So the concept of inventory is simple, but yet I find a lot of people forget about it. Inventory has to come in, a supply to be sold in order for prices to go lower, and when there is a lack of inventory or supply, price seeks inventory higher. While the concept is generally simple, it is a concept that's worth remembering. Now, if you saw today, we saw J period, K period, L period come down and attempt to sell off in their own individual rights, but not be able to fully take us down. Ultimately, selling shut off and the rotation was higher. Now, on an inside day like today, it was very grindy, it was very slow, but it was still higher. M period, which is our closing period and a period where business gets wrapped up for the day, did have a quick push down here against some stops, but it quickly turned around from 77 and ended up closing in the mid 80s. Now, this inside M period gives us the knowledge of a couple of things. We look for nuances in M period, things like, can we take out the high of day or overnight high, vice versa? Can we liquidate to the overnight low, the daily low? And that gives us an understanding where the larger participants and the commercial broker dealers are positioning themselves and whether or not we will have an opportunity for a further short squeeze or possibly a liquidation in the coming day. With all that in mind, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, my name is Martin from ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you want to trade with us live every day in real time, then look for the ShadowTrader SquawkBox link in the description below. See you in the room.